In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF tables from Adobe Acrobat to Excel, whether you're using a PC or a Mac. This process is really handy for those moments when you need to manipulate or analyze data that's originally locked up in a PDF file. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Ensure you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer, as this process requires the program. If you're working with a document that has tables, you'll often find that extracting data manually is time consuming. This tool makes it effortless by allowing you to convert the file directly. Once you have your PDF open, take a glance at the interface to make sure everything looks good and you're ready to start the conversion. Next, look towards the top of the screen and locate the toolbar. You'll see an option labeled Convert. This is what you'll click to begin the process of transforming your static PDF into a versatile Excel document. It may be tempting to try other options, but Convert is the feature specifically designed for what we need. After selecting Convert, a drop-down menu will appear. From here you'll choose either XLSX or XML, both of which are formats compatible with Microsoft Excel. If you're not sure which one to pick, XLSX is usually the best choice for most users, as it's the standard Excel file format. XML might be more useful for data interchange or if you're working within certain databases. Once you've selected your desired format, the next thing to do is simply click on Convert. This action will trigger the conversion process. It's quite quick, but the time it takes can depend on the size of your PDF. You shouldn't have to wait long, as modern versions of Adobe Acrobat handle these conversions efficiently. Now that the conversion process is done, a dialog box titled Save As will pop up. You'll need to choose a location on your computer where you want the new Excel file to live. This could be a specific folder dedicated to your work projects, or perhaps your desktop for easy access. After selecting the appropriate location, click on Save. And there you have it, the PDF table has now been successfully exported into an Excel file format. You can open it directly from where you saved it and start working with your data immediately, whether that means refining it further, generating charts, or performing calculations. Remember, this method streamlines what used to be a tedious manual process, helping you become more productive and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.